I've got a few melodies here from DJ Topy. It's worked a fair bit with like Hardo, Evil Gianni. We're gonna cook up. Let's see how it goes. This one was crazy. I don't know whether you use like an analog emulation or like actual hardware. So I just chucked it in here. If you go to TuneBat, you can do this with any audio, obviously. I'm pretty bad with like working out like the key of something. So if you just dump any MP3 in here or WAV file or whatever, it'll come up with the key and the BPM. So it's in C major and it's 80 BPM, which is 160. Yeah, I really like this part. I'm going to sample this. I think this will be like the easiest to flip. I added 2 LFOs and then I've just got this filter. So I've got the OSR circuit and I drove it, but then we also have this like soft distortion going into the filter. This like ADSR is like really helpful as well. I like to set like a long release. Sometimes it's nice to let the sample kind of decay out. I'm going to use this belt as well. I've used this in like another video. It's like really simple sound design. It's very like Surf Gang, so seems kind of like fitting. I really like that melody, but I've just frozen it. I don't want to take too much away from the melody by adding other like plucky stuff. So I'm going to resample this just using my regular method. For this one, I didn't even use this LFO. I just basically scooped it out with the filter and added the resonance. But the secret sauce for this one is the pitch envelope. Reduced it like an octave. You just control the decay, so it kind of sounds like it's like a vinyl startup sound. Depending on how fast you set it, will determine how quickly it'll come from like an octave down to like coming up to where you want it, to like the normal pitch. I quite literally had no idea what the chord progression was, so I just made this and it sounded good. I just went with it. There are ways you can do if you're like using like a loop like MP3, so you can put like a spectral analyzer on the clip that you want to figure out. And so see in this bottom corner, it's got like, it's a different note, the frequency. So like if you didn't know that, that's like how frequency works. So we can go through and play this back. And like all of these peaks are just like notes essentially. So you can go through and just work out the chord progression. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching again. This is the whole beat. I'll leave all of DJ Topy's links in the bio, so go check that out. He's got a couple of different SoundClouds. He makes some different music as well, which I'm a really big fan of. Go check them out. Shout out DJ Topy. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.